Welcome people, it's your girl Kim Carr here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to review a product from TM Hair Products. This was sent to me by TM Hair Products and they asked me to give a review on their products. I actually only received 2 items from them that I'm going to be reviewing at this time. So if you're interested, please continue watching. Alright, so the 2 products that I'm going to be reviewing, one came like this. I'm not sure if this is going to be the packaging that it comes in when you order it from them, but this is how it came to me. That is the Smooth Through Detangler for adults and children with all hair types. Now TM Hair Products is a black owned business, that's why I was very interested in reviewing their products, and they incorporate natural and organic ingredients in their products. Now this detangler, you can use it for thick, knotted, coiled, kinky, nappy, every single texture that you can think of. You can use this to detangle your hair. So this is what the Smooth Through Detangler looks like. And what I really like about this product is that they have the John 3 verse 16 on the bottle. A lot of companies don't do that. Next product I'm going to be reviewing is their Perfect Assist Styling Aid. You can use this styling aid on clean, wet, damp or dry hair. You can use it to mold your hair into different looks or to just moisturize and protect it. So I'm going to be using these 2 products today because it is wash day. As you can see, my hair is in some twists right now. I am going to be washing my hair. These twists are maybe about a week old, but they are dry, dirty, crusty, and I just know that they're going to be tangled because my ends need to be clipped. I can't bother clip them right now, so I know once I unravel them, my hair will tangle up. So I'm really interested in seeing, I'm really interested in seeing how well this product works. This would be like a first step in your wash day process. So I'm going to be doing that right now. Alright, so I'm back. Don't kill me, but it has actually been a couple of days after that first clip that you saw. When I did my twist out, I had to run out for a family emergency. So, well, for something family related, so I couldn't get to finish the video at the time. I was planning to finish it when I come back, but you know how it go already. I never come back till late. My hair is extremely matted. I mean, I can't reach the roots. I can't go no further. Like, my hair is in some serious, need some help. I'm gonna plan for tear up my hair today. So anyways, we're going to be using the Smooth Through Detangler by TM Hair Products. Oh, alright, so I already noticed some separation. Like the oil I separate from the, you know, like when oil separate from water, that's how it feels to me. Okay, it has a like a minty kind of scent. I don't mind it. I hope it really tingles my scalp. So it didn't say anything about shaking well before use, but I'm going to shake it because I don't want the separation. I don't know if this will help, so I'm just gonna shake it and then use it again. Okay, so no more separation. That's good. What I notice is that it's very creamy, the detangler, but I feel like detanglers are a little bit overrated because I feel like you can get the same results from like conditioner or any other product really. I am not a big fan of detanglers per se, because I feel like even with spritzing my hair with water, it's kind of helping to get out some of the knots, to be completely honest. Some of the knots are already coming out with just water alone, and I feel like I can get the same benefits from just using water and conditioner. I don't feel like it is something I should necessarily go out of my way and try and seek out and try and get a detangler for my hair, you know. If you are somebody who enjoys detanglers and you use it a lot in your regimen, then you can definitely consider this product. I like the fact that it smells like peppermint. It's not really doing anything much for my scalp. I thought it would be tingling or something like that, but this video is not sponsored. They sent me the products to review and give my honest opinion, and this is my honest opinion about this product. It is getting out the tangles though, so you have to be wary of that. It is doing what it's supposed to be doing. So this is the final results from using the detangler. My hair is extremely detangled and it did exactly what it is supposed to do. So I'm reading the bottle, right? And I notice where it says that this can be used as a conditioner and or a co-wash. I really like how it feels on my hair. It's very creamy, and the peppermint, I can feel it in the back of my scalp. I feel a cooling sensation in the back. But yeah, as a detangler, I wouldn't use it as a detangler much because I don't really fancy detanglers. I just don't think they are a good fit for me. But if I can use this as a conditioner, I'm good with that, or even for both, because I use conditioners to detangle my hair. So 2 for 1, that is a good combo right there. This seems as if it will last a very long time because I barely even scratch the surface. Like, this is how much I used up. I can definitely see this lasting me for maybe about 2 months. I said it, 2 months. Since this can be used as a conditioner, I'm going to let it sit for a while, maybe about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to wash my hair and come back. So I washed the detangler out of my hair. It was a very easy process to do. It didn't leave any residue at all in my hair, so that was quite good. The detangler was a good step in my regimen this time around. I'm thinking of incorporating this step more into my regimen. Maybe this will help me to see a lot more growth. Alright, so I'm about to style my hair. My hair is freshly washed and conditioned and moisturized. So now I'm going to head into styling. So I'm going to be using the Perfect Assist styling aid. And this is what it looks like. Typical. Oh, it's quite creamy. It's thick in the package, but when you rub it on your hands, it's not really thick. Right, but I can tell it's a lot of product in here. It has a good smell. It smells minty nonetheless, similar to the Detangler. And it's not a very strong smell that it has. So they suggest that I use it as a styling aid or moisturizer. So what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be styling my hair. I'm going to be using this product to style my hair. So let's get into it.
Hi guys, so I ended up really liking the styling product. I loved how it made my hair feel. It was very easy to maneuver. It was very soft and it was very creamy. I actually feel as if it is the lock method in a jar. Like seriously, you can just wash your hair and use this product to moisturize and seal in moisture at the same time, and I was very impressed by this. I ended up using it for some of my other styles and I really like the results that I got. So out of both products, the Detangler and the Styling Assist, I really like the Perfect Styling Assist Styling Cream. I feel like it made my twists come out very juicy and very bouncy. It gave my hair a lot of moisture, so it really does what it says it's gonna do. It does that, and I really liked it. So let me know in the comment section down below if you have ever tried this product or if you feel as if you would ever try it, and if you did try it, let me know what you thought about it to see if we're on the same page and if you would recommend it to anybody else. But I would definitely recommend these two products to anybody else on their natural hair journey. yeah, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below so that we can chat. As always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.